Hey guys, I want to do a real quick video on one of my new Christmas presents. I got a GoPro 7 Silver. Man, this thing is really cool. I've never had a GoPro before. Super excited about using it. Only played with it a few times. So tell me if there's anything I'm missing about these features. But pretty cool. I love how it just fits in your pocket. You know, put pretty small. This is where the card and the charger is right here. I got a 128 gig little micro SD card that said it'll film HD for like 8.5 or 9 hours or something. Here's the power button. And I know this one has Bluetooth. You can stream it to your phone. It's waterproof up to like 30 feet. It's a touch screen. All that kind of deal. So for HD camera, that's to start recording, I'm pretty sure. For an HD camera that like fits in your pocket, this thing is awesome. Like I said, I'm new to these GoPros, but man, this is pretty cool. And got this little case that it came in right here. How you secure it in here, which is really cool too. It's really tight, snug fit. I can't get that in there. All right, got it in there, and holds it in there in place. You can mount it on a couple different brackets, but it protects it. Like I said, it's waterproof too, up to like 30 feet. But thinking that I may start filming some of my videos with this thing. Tell me if y'all think I should do that, and like I said, if there's features I'm missing on this thing. But I think it's cool how you get the app on your phone, and you can Bluetooth it over to all your videos to your phone and save them. But yeah, I just want to do a quick review first because I really like this as a Christmas gift I got, but second, to see if I was missing any features. I'm so new to these GoPros. It's probably something that I'm not knowing that it does. But yeah, put a link down in the comment or say something. Let me know what's going on. Thanks.